Today we published a report for the second quarter. So warm welcome to this interview with our CEO, Jonas Gustafsson. So welcome, Jonas.
Thank you, Katrin.
How would you summarize the report?
Well, I'm pleased with the fact that we delivered an improved result, an improved margin of 8%, which is better than last year. And the main driver behind that is the ongoing improvement program in infrastructure that continues to deliver according to plan. And then sales ended up at 7.2 billion, equal to 4.7% total growth and adjusted organic growth of 2.2%.
What's your view on the market?
Well, it's a bit mixed. Starting with the energy segment, here we continue to see strong demand also in all subsectors and also in all markets. Moving over to infrastructure, it's continued to be stable demand in transport infrastructure, and the real estate segment continues to be weak for us. And then in industry, here we see a mixed picture. Strong demand in areas like automotive and defense sector, more challenging in IT and telecom, and then of course we have the pulp and paper segment, and here we continue to see a weak demand also for larger capex projects.
So how do you see the growth development and the order stock in the quarter?
Well, sales ended up at 7.2 billion, equal to 2.2% adjusted organic growth. And the positive was that all divisions except process industry delivered positive growth. And when you look on infrastructure and energy, we also saw a sequential improvement between the quarters, which really shows good development in these two divisions. Moving over to the order stock, it's basically flat around 20 billion, but we have seen a decline in process industry driven from the weaker pulp and paper market where there is no real big capex projects. But it was compensated plus minus from the other divisions, and energy continues to have a stable and high order stock. So flat for AFRY as a total.
So let's talk about the EBITDA. So can you give some flavor to the development?
Yeah, the EBITDA ended up at 572 million, equal to 8% in EBITDA margin, and this was much better than last year. But we also had 9 hours more in the quarter, so we had a positive calendar effect. But also when we adjust for the calendar effect, we were roughly 0.5% unit better than last year, so we saw an improvement. And the main driver for that was the good development in infrastructure.
Can you give a high-level summary of the performance in the divisions?
Yes, starting with the infrastructure, we are pleased to see that the improvement program continues to deliver according to plan. The real estate segment continues to be weak, but it's stable in other segments, and we are now more in balance, capacity and demand, and we continue to work on the improvement program in infrastructure. Then moving over to energy and management consulting, they deliver both good and stable result in the quarter, and of course the energy segment is a very good segment and good demand. And then moving over to industry and digital solutions, and the development was in line with last year, but we also know that we have some weak sectors like IT and telecom, and the work continues also to improve the margin in industry and digital solutions. And then we have process industry division that have had some really strong development over the last years, but we have now faced a weaker pulp and paper market with less capex projects, and we have seen that in the order stock and also on the negative growth in the quarter. And we have taken actions and adjust capacity, and we will continue to do that. At the same time, we have a very strong position, and of course we are looking for other segments, and we will continue to hunt for both capex projects and service orders.
So finally, what is AFRY's focus going forward? Well,
we will continue to work hard to improve our profitability and improve our EBITDA margin. And then there are 3 areas. Number 1, to deliver on the infrastructure improvement program. The second one, to take the opportunities we see in a strong energy market, and there are also some strong subsectors in industry, to continue to grow where we have the opportunities. And the third one, to be flexible, agile and adjusting, because the market is still mixed in some areas.
Thank you so much, Jonas.
Thank you, Katrin. And just to summarize, I'm pleased to see that we now are step by step improving the profitability for AFRY.
So with those final words, I think we are ready to wish everyone a fantastic summer, and thank you for great collaboration.
Thank you so much and have a great summer.